Hi, thanks for watching this video. I am Erin Parks of Parks Ag Solutions. This is what I call a marketing assistance video, where I do a deeper dive into a grain marketing topic or any type of agricultural topic that's going on. And so the whole purpose is education, knowledge, and a little bit of entertainment. This is May of 2026, and the topic is going to be ag products agreements between the US and China. So just less than a week ago, both China and the US sat down for trade talks in China. So President Trump made his way over, and even though the agreement deals are vague and there's not a lot of details, we do have some information that has came out since Trump has been back in the US. So I figured just for clarity, we would go over some of those. So first off, there is an extra $17 billion that China has agreed to buy of U.S. ag products for the 26, 27, and 28 year. This is non-soybeans. So we had the other agreement back in October for soybeans. That truce was already a done deal. So this is on top of that. Also looking at expanding beef and poultry trade to China. China reinstated beef poultry imports, their licensing for them to do that. And it seems like China before would purchase a decent amount of our beef organ meat. So it sounds like that is going to be reinstated for purposes. Also, too, they're going to resume poultry imports from birds that are from bird flu-free states. So they will be tracking which states has bird flu, and they will not be purchasing any poultry from those particular states. There is the possibility, so this was just what they talked about, purchases of corn, soybeans, DDGs, and even possibly wheat, because those are price advantage out of the U.S. There was also talks of trade tariff reductions. One outlet reported that China may reduce soybean tariffs by 10%, which would be awesome. They also agreed that they were going to create a U.S.-China board of investment, and this would meet to address the markets themselves and improve trade communication between the two, and also then to encourage investment discussions into the future. So, looking back, in 2024, the non-soybean ag purchases was at $11.7 billion. In 2025, it was a dismal $5.2 billion of non-soybeans. So, if we go to that 17, so much better than where we hit on the 25 calendar year, and even better than what we hit for the 2024 calendar year. So all of that is very encouraging. I think another encouraging spot too is that they have agreed to meet 3 more times in this calendar year. So progress, yay!